Okay mate, and this stage is the same as before. Just mindful your brakes on this one mate.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we're clear after the Subaru. Clear after the Subaru, so we've got this square left detail. Hairpin left. Like it was a good choice, mate. I think you're tired. Go. Okay, 45 left, square right. 45 left. 45 left. Sorry, 90 left, 90 right. Fucking hell, he's all over the fucking shop ears. Open right, open left. So don't get caught up in his accident, mate, will you? So we've got a fast open right that then runs down into that hairpin left. That tightens into the hairpin left. Hairpin left. 90 right, go and eat it for breakfast. There we go. 90. Open left onto the circuit. Okay. 90 left opens. Left opens. Same as before, we're going left at the split, which is effectively straight on. That's it, so stay on the racing circuit. Well done. Open right, open left. Okay, and then we've got this 90 right. Through the chicane, it looks like it's wide open, square left. Okay, there's a car coming out of the merge, we have priority, go, go, go.
Come on, if you're coming fast, come fast.
Oh, that's all yours. Square left. Hairpin left. Okay mate, once we're out of this little complex, there's a Clio that's going to come by us. He is quicker than us. Oh yeah. Getting out of fire. Okay, fucking cones everywhere. Okay, right, sorry, open right, open left. You can let him through. There we go, well done mate, well done. Fast open right, into the hairpin left, ninety right, open left, left opens, 90 left opens. Right, we've been through here twice now.
Oh, this is the second time.
This is the second time. We're following in then, aren't we? Yeah, well done. Okay mate, sorry I'm losing the place here. 90 right. I'm watching my mirrors as much as anything. Through the chicane, square left. Jesus Christ, got another one on the verge now mate. You have priority. Square left. Hairpin left. 45 left. Square right. 45 left. 90 left. Fucking hell. 90 right. Open right, open left. Fast open right, tightens into the hairpin left. '90 right, open left. '90 left opens. 90 left opens. Okay, we're going right at the split this time.
Oh, we're not going around again?
No, sorry, right to the split. Right to the split, here we are. Here we go, we've got the hairpin, and then we've got the flight finish. Over finish. That's your finish. There we go, mate. All done.